Hey, this is Joe, Big Joe's Outdoors. I got a request to show how I clean my rabbits that I raise for meat. This is a young doe. She wasn't gonna make it part of the breeding team. We're harvesting it for food for our dogs and ourselves. First we do is cut the back feet off. These are I think I got them at Home Depot. Next step is removing the head. Now, just as simple as cutting. There's going to be blood here. So, put that away. Now, lay the rabbit on its belly. This is the non-hanging method. These rabbits are really young, and they don't have a lot of thick fur yet. Like, its skin is so thin, it's useless to try to keep it. You let them go for 6 months, you get good thick fur. So, raise about 2 inches of height up, poke your knife through. Bring it up easy. Try to keep your hair to a minimum. It doesn't make good for meals. When you take your rabbit, put your fingers in there and you pull them apart. It should come almost all the way off. Pull on the front. Put it in your bucket. Pull on the back. Put it in your bucket. Take the tail. Put the bone. Do a little knife maneuvering. Now, for the gutting process. Start it in there, slide it down, lift it up with the knife. Lift the knife up. Same thing back here. Put the knife in, slide it up, lift it up. Try not to hit a bladder if the bladder's full. Then you'll want to grab and break away from where it connects on the inside. Pull down firmly. Same thing with the rest of it. Little connections in there. And that's the guts. Now you have 2 kidneys. The liver. You gotta get rid of the gallbladder. Take your scissors and a quick rinse. Split the chest. Pull the lungs and the heart out. Save the lungs and heart for the dog. Now the rest of this rest in the water. Cool down. Beautiful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I've got plenty more to do.